InsulBuck provides an energy-efficient window buck by eliminating thermal bridging. It will also reduce job site waste. InsulBuck is constructed using foam planks and channels cut to size, along with 4 F connectors. Only standard construction tools required. Cut the InsulBuck channel and foam to fit the rough opening. The side legs of the buck should be cut to the exact rough opening height. The top and bottom legs of the buck should have 4 inches added to their rough opening width. The added 4 inches to the top and bottom legs will compensate for the lap joint that is formed as the buck is assembled. Now that the channels and foam are cut to proper length, simply slide the channel onto both edges of the foam plank. Plasti-Fab InsulBuck is a zero-waste product. Cut-off material can be utilized by splicing it in during this step. Insert F connectors onto the butt ends of the top and bottom legs of the buck. Slide the side legs into the F connectors. Then attach the top leg. Your 4-sided buck is now complete. Square and brace buck by attaching InsulBrace corner bracing in each corner. Wood corner braces may also be used. Now that the buck is fully assembled and braced, it is ready for placement in the wall. Continue placing required courses of Advantage ICF block around the buck. Next, cut the holes in the sill to allow concrete placement under the buck. Remember to keep the removed foam so it can be reinserted after the concrete placement. The insul plate is inserted through the jambs for attachment of doors and allows additional options for window placement. Windows are attached to InsulBuck through the nailing flange.